Junior po rin ang sayaw. Nakakita na po siya ang bagong amiga. Okay mga kabayers.
It was only last week that we first met when I was walking down the street. You came up from behind me and I knew that our eyes were gonna meet. That's when I fell into your arms. Imagine my surprise.
Tawag ka to siya.
It's only happened in fairy tales. Love hit me right between the eyes. Oh yeah, high energy. Your love lifting me. Woo woo, high energy. Yeah, your love lifting me, lifting me high.
Ang kanina, Day. Ayan, ang kanina.
When you call me on the phone, you make my spirits run.
Wala na.
I'm glad you didn't last.
Hindi na yung una ko sa'yo. Kaya ang pangit.
Every time you're touching me, it gives me such a thrill. When I look deep into your eyes, my heart just keeps real. Oh no, high energy. Your love is lifting me. Woo woo, high energy. Yeah, your love is lifting me, lifting me high.
Thank you, Bayers. Thank you, Thank you. Bye-bye.
Selamat.
Bye-bye na.
Babay na sila. Nadto na me. magsayaw. Masayaw pag hindi sila dahil kadyot. Kung mahuman ko.
By this happiness